You are for me. You are for me. Let's go to nothing else. Feel good about that?
We're gonna do that better?
Yeah, I liked it a lot better.
I was gonna like when there's a moment I was like, oh, but I got it, the high.
Cool.
I guess that was practice.
So yeah, we'll stay in D for nothing else as well. All right, nothing else. Now we're going to do a D.